Are you looking for the best desktop replacement laptop? In this video we will look at some of the best desktop replacement laptop. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro with M3 Max chip. If budget is not an issue and you want a premium laptop that can handle whatever you throw at it, we'd recommend the Apple MacBook Pro 2023 with an M3 Max chip. This laptop ticks every box of what a high-end desktop replacement laptop should have. The laptop is powered by the M3 Max chip, which features a 14-core CPU and 30-core GPU, thanks to which it can handle demanding tasks smoothly. On top of that, it comes with 36 GB of RAM, which will be more than enough for productivity tasks. In fact, these specs make it a strong contender for one of the best laptops for video editing and the best laptops for photo editing. As for the display, the MacBook Pro comes with a 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, which offers 600 nits of max brightness for SDR content, and it goes up to 1000 nits for HDR content. This makes it perfect for those who like using their laptop outdoors or under bright settings. Overall, the MacBook Pro with M3 Max chip is the best desktop replacement laptop currently available in the market. It also features an amazing battery life of up to 22 hours, which makes it on par with some of the best battery life laptops. Number 2. Lenovo ThinkPad E16 2024. If you don't want something high-end and just want a laptop that can help you push through daily tasks smoothly, you'd want to check out the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 2024. The laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7530U, which is an excellent processor for multitasking. While it may not be the most powerful processor, it still gets the job done smoothly. On top of that, for fast processing speeds, the laptop boasts 16 GB of DDR4 RAM paired with a 256 GB SSD. While the storage may be enough for some users, you can take it up to 2 TB by throwing in some extra bucks. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 2023 does not disappoint when it comes to the display, as it sports a 16-inch WUXGA IPS screen with 300 nits of peak brightness. There's also a 1080p webcam in case you're always doing meetings. Overall, we think the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 is the best budget desktop replacement laptop. It also features a battery life of up to 14 hours, which is another reason why you should get it. In case you want to explore more budget options, check out our top picks for the best budget laptops. First place Metal 16GB RAM plus 256 GB SSD. Substantial high bandwidth 16 GB RAM allows you to smoothly run your games and photo and video editing applications, as well as multiple programs and browser tabs all at once. Get up to 15x faster performance than a traditional hard drive with 256 GB of M.2 NVMe solid-state drive storage. Number 3. Dell XPS 17. For the GPU and CPU, the Dell XPS 17 features the RTX 3060 6GB and the Intel Core i7-12700H processor, which belongs to the 12th gen lineup of CPUs from Intel. On top of these, the laptop features a 1TB SSD for storage and 32GB of DDR5 RAM to help you push through resource-hungry tasks. As far as the display is concerned, like some of the best 17-inch laptops, the Dell XPS 17 has a gorgeous 17-inch display with a UDH+ resolution. The display is also pretty bright, as its brightness can go up to 500 nits. As for the refresh rate, it is only 60 Hz. But this won't be a problem, considering the laptop isn't meant for gaming anyway, which usually requires a high refresh rate. Even though the laptop sports a 17-inch display, its battery life is still pretty decent, as it can last up to 9 hours. This, of course, will depend on how you use it. Overall, the Dell XPS 17 is an excellent choice for those looking for a 17-inch desktop replacement laptop. Powerhouse 12th Intel Core i7-12700H, 6B plus 80 cores, up to 4.7 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, 24 MB smart cache, 14 cores, 20 threads. When it comes to raw power and performance, the XPS 17 laptop makes no compromises. With an Intel Core processor and NVIDIA GeForce graphics, feel free to crank up the settings everywhere you go. Number 4. Lenovo ThinkPad E15 Gen 4. Business laptops are meant to be something that are easy to carry and have a great battery life. As for the Lenovo ThinkPad E15 Gen 4, it ticks both boxes. In fact, we think it deserves to be one of the best business laptops. For the processor, we have the 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1240p processor, featuring the Intel Iris Xe graphics. For the RAM, we have 16GB of DDR4 RAM, which will be more than enough for most tasks. The storage may be low for some users, as the variant we selected comes with a 512GB SSD. However, by spending some extra bucks, you can take it to 1TB. The Lenovo ThinkPad E15 Gen 4 has a 15.6-inch Full HD screen. It has an anti-glare coating, which reflects light, making it usable in well-lit environments. The laptop also lasts for up to 8 hours after a single charge, and it weighs only 3.75 pounds, which makes it portable. Overall, we think that the Lenovo ThinkPad E15 Gen 4 is the best business desktop replacement laptop thanks to its components, weight, and great battery life. Number 5. MSI Raider GE78HX, RTX 4090. The MSI Raider GE78HX is the best choice for those who are looking for a gaming desktop replacement laptop. It features some of the most powerful components and can help you run almost every game at high graphical settings while maintaining high frame rates. The MSI Raider GE78HX is powered by the 13th Gen Intel i9-1390HX processor, which is one of the most powerful processors available for laptops, as it can handle CPU-intensive tasks smoothly. For the GPU, we have the RTX 4090, which is currently the most powerful GPU offered by NVIDIA for gaming. There's also 64GB of DDR4 RAM paired with a 2TB SSD, which further contributes to the overall performance of the PC. Coming down to the display, the laptop sports a 17-inch QHD Plus IPS display with a refresh rate of 240Hz. Overall, we think that the MSI GE78H is the best gaming desktop replacement laptop, and it deserves to be one of the best gaming laptops.